I'm going to be leaving the internet for about 2 weeks, but I got some good news for you. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in Dubai. And yeah, I'm going to take a couple weeks off. I'm not going to be doing shows for a while. I might be gone for quite some time. It might seem like forever, but I will be back at the latest on July 21st. Right, so let everybody know, let all your friends know, maybe even put it in the comment section, right? And I would appreciate that. The mic's right here. I'm basically broadcasting to all those other people who are watching this live. If they, go to the links in below, there's a referral links, and you can just find out how you can watch this live down there. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well, and Bitcoin is going to be taken off eventually. Doesn't matter when, but it's happening because, even though this is like March 24th and this, they've already started, right? Alliance, many insurance companies, and what's the point of buying all this stuff? Because they need to pay out all their insurance premiums and stuff like that. So if somebody, collects on insurance, they need to pay that, and they need to take the money and invest it in something that's going to make money. I wonder what's going to do that. Now, of course, the EU is like, we got to stop those companies insurance companies from buying Bitcoin. It's too dangerous. But that's all right. MicroStrategy is like, oh, you have some regulatory issues? Well, we've created a product, right? It's called Strife, right? It's a perpetual preferred stock. It's been set up specifically for insurance companies, sovereign wealth funds, to earn, 10% per annum or a maximum dividend yield of 18% per annum. This is a perfect asset for the portfolios that can't really hold Bitcoin, can't really hold direct stock. They can hold this particular asset that pays a dividend guaranteed. Yeah. And guess what it's doing? Buying Bitcoin. And the beautiful thing about this, so MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor did, is what he did there, right? Is that he basically said, I'm going to capture all the locked liquidity that's out there, because these sovereign wealth funds and insurance, they have to buy stuff that's only yielding 3%, but not no more. And guess what? He gets to capture the rest of the premium, because Bitcoin is, earning, like, let's just say 100%, anywhere from 60 to 100% per year per annum, and then he gets to pay out like 10%. They say, thanks for coming out. Oh, wow. Beautiful, beautiful. This is why, MicroStrategies and Michael Saylor, he's a genius, and he's going to do well in the coming months. And same with Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin is just going to continue to rocket. All right, well, it didn't rocket, and we didn't get into our shorts, and it's just unfortunate. And just another missed short opportunity, but it is what it is, right? You can't win them all. And so there it is. We bounced off this, I think it's a 38.2. If you go from, I believe this looks like the 38.2 from that low that we had, that 10, yeah, there it is right there. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. Let's just see. I think it's only on the futures, but let's see. Yeah, 38.2 from the body candle bodies. Yeah, so bounced off of 38.2, give or take, and you can see that over here on the 38.2 here on the futures. We closed several gaps, and so we're reversing back higher. Can we break down further lower? You have to be careful, man, because Bitcoin has, created double tops here, man. Like lots of double tops, and it's creating another topping pattern here. So this is not good, not good at all, right? But this doesn't mean that we're going to break down, because we got to break down past now the 99K in order for us to see a full breakdown. And the good news is the full breakdown is maximum is going to take us down is to, well, look at that. 1.618 is the 92, which I've been saying all the time. That's the worst case scenario, right? Doesn't mean it has to play out, but that's the worst case scenario. Okay, Solana, look at that. That was a beautiful trade, right? Sweet, right on target, right? You can't win them all, but this one, right on target, boop. And there we go. We're gonna take it. Is this thing gonna go higher into the create a new high up to the 62? I believe so. 162. Sorry, 162. I believe so. Let's just take a look at. I think there's a 61.8 there. So I think we are going to create like. Oh, wait a second. Is there like a maybe? Oops. Sorry. Maybe there is a. I thought so. Come on. And why is this not working here? There we go. Yeah. There was a little bit of this. This could be a, what's it called? A trend line, right? Touch point. And that means that we're going to continue this trend higher. It's good. Yeah, I thought so. And if we do this, if we go here to the Fibonacci, and let's go draw our Fibby fibs. Retrace. We already came up to the 61.8, so break here up to the 88.6. Not happy with this trade now, because it's like it means that we have to break a lot higher. That means it would have to keep going higher, and I don't think so. I think we're going to fail here. We're going to probably go up to. We're not going to break this level up here probably, and then come back and test the downward trend line. Good news is we can we could hold this trade and then exit if it breaks the upward trend line. That's it. I think that's the best thing to do at this point, is to hold this winning trade until it breaks the downward trend line, and that's it. All right, alrighty. Let's just take a quick look at Ethereum. I mean, I was like, there's nothing here, so I can't even trade this. It's just not even worth it. See, it bounced off it just created. This went after some stop run, and it bounced, and there's not much really room for us to trade Ethereum currently. So we're just gonna let Ethereum go here and move on from that. Let's look at the dominance finally. Yeah, the dominance is reversing, and we're gonna get to the 66.6 very, very soon on the dominance, Bitcoin dominance. So don't be sleeping. Buy some Bitcoin, right? Links are in the description below. Bybit.davincij15.com, right, is a place where you can buy some Bitcoin. There's other places where you can buy Bitcoin. Yeah, and enjoy. Peace.